Yikes, yikes. Okay, we're fine. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha J. Miller back on the scene. This video is going to be about me showing you guys how to properly twist your hair for the best twist out ever. And this is because it's a technique I found out, I think it was like probably a month ago when I was twisting my hair. I was twisting it regularly because I normally twist going backwards. And then one day I was like, what would happen if I twist going forward, like towards my face? And the twist was a lot tighter, and then when I took it out, it was a lot more defined. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your most defined twist out on natural hair. All right, so I'm starting on freshly washed, shampooed, deep conditioned hair. My hair was in a protective style for a while. Now it's out. My hair has gotten a lot longer. I'm not sure, you know, if you're a returning viewer, but my hair was pretty, it was medium length, but like now it's pretty long. It's also pretty wet and it's getting everywhere. So before I start off my twist out, I make sure my hair is properly oiled, moisturized, sealed with oil. So I'm gonna be using my oil mixture. This is only grapeseed oil, olive oil, and some tea tree oil. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand and start from the ends up.
I like the way you hold me so tight. I like the way you move like.
So what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna like seal in the water in my hair with this oil, as well as add in my my leave-in conditioner, which is gonna be the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in Detangler. On top of this, then twist it back up, and then I'm going to be twisting my hair afterwards.
You give me some patience, I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey. DJ, bring it back to one time. I gotta test out the waistline. I'm even know it how she moving. I'm about to make this a movie. If you the best, can you show me? If you think that you can hold me, I got some words for you. Give me them bass drum, wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience, I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey. Give me them bass drum, wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience, I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey.
So the styler of choice that I'm going to be using today is the Jane Carter Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. I picked this up at TJ Maxx for $7.99, and I think it retails for $14, so that's a steal. So whenever I start my twist out, I normally try to do them in very small sections. That's how I get the most definition. So I'm starting at the back with this quadrant here, and I'm going to split this, I would say a little bit less than a half. Split it like that. I'm gonna pin this one away. Ooh, I'm gonna let this be one twist. So I'm going to detangle that. I'm gonna add, this is also, I just bit my tongue. This is also super moisturizing, like crazy moisturizing. I'm gonna add this amount to this section. Now the twisting technique that I was telling you guys about is, I found out that on the left side, if you twist towards your face, so the twist is coming this way, you get a tighter twist, and you also get a more defined twist. And on your right side, if you twist away from your face, you get the same effect. It's very uncomfortable at first because, of course, your hand isn't used to twisting like that, like in that direction, but you'll get used to it. And I'll show you the difference between this twist and another one. But twisting in this direction completely changed my twist out. Like, not even lying. I'm not even being extra. Like, it's a fact. So I'm going to twist this one down. When I get to the ends, I add a little bit more of the styler and then just coil it to get that really nice pretty curl. I leave this much space and then just coil it.
I gotta test out the waistline. I'm even know where how she moving. I'm about to make this a movie.
And that's your twist. The other one I'm gonna do it just the regular twist in motion that I normally do, and I'll show you the difference.
Ooh, give me them bass drum. Wine on your waist right now. You give me some patience. I'll teach you all the things I know.
So, case in point, and I didn't even BS this one. This is how I would normally twist. But you can see the difference in these two twists. This one is a bit more uniform than this one. This one seems a lot looser. This one is tighter. So that's just to show you guys a difference in this technique. That twisting in this direction that I mentioned on the left side, twisting towards your face, and on the right side, twisting away from your face, creates a tighter twist and also is going to help you get more definition when you take your twist out. So,
I like the way, yeah. I like the way, yeah. I like the way.
Give me them bass drum. I'm wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience. I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey, I can't stop watching how your body roll. Come bring your bumper, moving closer, moving slow. While your friends are watching us, we give them all a show. 'Cause that's alright with me. Give me them bass drum. I'm wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience. I'll teach you.
Also, I know and I'm aware that I'm doing my twists small. You don't have to do them this small, but I do think that for, you know, the best definition, you should do them in small sections. Not necessarily this small, but small enough. So, with this side, when I was twisting, I twisted towards my face. With this side, because I'm on the right now, I'll be twisting away from my face. So instead of twisting this way, I'll be taking this one going back. So taking your two strands, hold them like middle way. Okay. On the right side of your face, you want to take your left over right. Left over right. And on your left side, you'll be doing right over left.
I got some words for you. Give me them bass drum. I'm wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience. I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey. Give me them bass drum. Wine on your waist right now. Yeah. You give me some patience. I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey.
Good morning, guys. It's the takedown process. Believe it or not, I've had these in for 3 days now. I went to work with them yesterday because I had no reason to take them down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them down now. And the way I take them down is I unravel the ends first and then just split up. The most important part of this is making sure that you recoil the ends so that you reduce frizz.
Body roll. Come bring your bumper, moving close, I'm moving slow. While your friends are watching last week, give them all a show. 'Cause that's alright with me. Give me them bass drum. I wind on your waist right now. Yeah. If you give me some patience, I'll teach you all the things I know. Hey, I like the way you move in the night.
Alright, these are the twists out. This is with one separation. Wow. My hair is so, of course, shrinkage is absolutely real. I'm just gonna go through and separate like the big pieces. I'm not gonna separate it too much. So I pick my roots and I just go down like a little bit.
The things I know. Hey. DJ, bring it back to one time. I gotta test out the waistline. I'm leaving the way how she moving. I'm about to make this a movie. If you the next,
I like
can
my
you show
part on my right side. Yikes. 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 Okay, we're fine. For edge control, I'm using the ORS edge control with sweet almond oil. It doesn't really last a long time. Also, I don't think any edge control really lasts a long time with my hair. It says 24 hours, like edge control, but I don't know what time zone that's in, but not over here.
all the things I know. Hey.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So I like it a lot. I definitely added some frizz when I parted right here, but I think this is definitely a very easy method using the twisting method that I used, and also using the Jane Carter. It's a very light hold. Like I do have definition, but I do have another product that I'll be doing another twist out with that has more of a superior hold. But this is also a really nice hold. My hair feels very light, very bouncy, healthy. Shrinkage is of course real, but that's okay. So if you guys like this video, don't be afraid to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
I wind on your waist right now. Yeah. If you give me some patience.